Hey everyone, I Akanksha Mishra welcomes you all to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. Are you wondering who needs ISO 14064 certification and why it is so important? If you are a business owner, part of an environmental team, or just interested in sustainability and carbon management, this video is for you. Today I'll break down who benefits from ISO 14064 certification and why it is becoming a must-have for businesses and organizations worldwide. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my content on sustainability and environmental standards. Alright, let's get started. What is ISO 14064 certification? First, let's quickly refresh our memory. ISO 14064 is an international standard that helps organizations measure, manage, and report greenhouse gases emissions. But here is the thing, ISO itself doesn't provide certification. Instead, organizations can get verified by an accredited third-party body to prove they meet ISO 14064 requirements. Now the big question is, who actually needs this certification? Let's find out. Businesses committed to sustainability. Corporate organizations. Big companies that want to reduce their carbon footprint, improve sustainability reporting, and meet environmental regulations benefit from ISO 14064. For example, a global tech company like Apple or Microsoft may need ISO 14064 to track emissions and meet sustainability goals. Small and medium-sized businesses. ISO 14064 isn't just for large corporations. SMEs use it to build credibility, improve energy efficiency, and gain a competitive edge. High-emission industries. Some industries have large carbon footprints and are under pressure to reduce emissions. This includes manufacturing and heavy industry, factories, steel production, cement plants. Energy and utilities. Power plants, oil and gas companies, and renewable energy providers. Transportation and logistics, shipping, aviation, trucking and rail companies. Agriculture and food processing, farms, food production and supply chains. Organizations in carbon markets, carbon credit developers. If your organization is involved in carbon offset projects or carbon trading, ISO 14064 certification is essential to verify emission reductions. Renewable energy and forestry projects. Forests like solar farms, wind farms, and reforestation efforts use ISO 14064 to ensure their carbon credits are legitimate. Government and public sector organizations. ISO 14064 isn't just for businesses. It's also used by governments and municipalities to track and report national or regional emissions. National governments. Countries that report emissions under international climate agreements. City governments and municipalities. Cities that track emissions and implement green policies. Infrastructure and public works. Large construction projects aiming to reduce environmental impact. Financial and investment sector. Banks and investors are paying more attention to sustainability and ESG, that is environmental social governance reporting. Banks and financial institutions. Funding projects with verified low carbon impact. ESG investors, evaluating companies based on sustainability performance. Insurance companies, assessing climate-related risk before issuing policies. Companies with legal reporting requirements. Many countries now require businesses to track and report emissions under environmental laws. Businesses in countries with carbon regulations, EU, Canada, Australia, and others with mandatory emissions reporting. Companies applying for environmental certifications like ISO 14001, environmental management, or ESG frameworks. Publicly traded companies facing pressure from investors for transparent sustainability reporting. So who needs ISO 14064 certification? Any organization that wants to measure, manage, and verify its greenhouse gas emissions, whether it's for regulatory compliance, sustainability, investor confidence, or carbon trading. ISO 14064 is becoming essential for business worldwide. Now I want to hear from you. Does your business need ISO 14064 certification? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with anyone interested in sustainability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.